Floods and mudslides have killed at least 19 people in southeast Brazil since Christmas. Officials have declared a state of emergency in 55 districts. Weather forecasts are predicting more torrential rains for the region.
Civil defense officials say mudslides and floods in southeast Brazil caused by weeks of heavy rains killed at least 19 people since Christmas. The downpours left entire towns underwater, prompting officials to declare a state of emergency in 55 districts. Rescue teams are working continuously among the muddy rubble, searching for bodies and survivors in the worst affected areas. The worst-hit state is Minas Gerais. 16 people died since the start of the rainy season in late November. In Sao Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, and Espírito Santo, mudslides destroyed hundreds of homes, especially in the mountainous areas. In the Mauá, Sao Paulo, a mother and her son died after a mudslide destroyed their house. In Petrópolis, Rio State, 3 girls aged 6, 9, and 12 were also killed after the mud wiped out their family's hillside home. Residents in Atibaia, Sao Paulo, were forced to use boats to move through streets. In a single hour, it rained nearly 1/4 the total rainfall predicted for January. Weather forecasters predicted more torrential rains for the upcoming days in the region.
Over the last couple of weeks I've been down on the beach practically every day just checking, and then suddenly on Sunday when I came down at low tide there were swarms of these crabs all dead on the beach and in the state of dying.